Hi there.
Hey Dania, how are you?
I'm good. And you?
Not that good. It's been a week and I didn't hear back from you. I'm just getting frustrated now.
Why? Well, you were not available, and I know it's a week, but it you were not there all the time. I message you, and you gave me the wrong color code, so that's why I couldn't design anything.
So you're saying that you sent me a one message, you didn't follow up, and I sent you the wrong color code. I think even if you didn't have the color code, you can still have the website up and we can change the color code later on if you can do that. This is not acceptable. This is not how I want things done. This is not the professional way.
What do you mean? I am not professional. I am very professional. I have been working since 5 years. I have made 100 projects. I have designed so much. I have such experience in building all day. We are a team of professional people. We are based and we are working very hard since so many years. We have clients all over the world. And
You're not trying to understand my problem. I'm not getting my work done. I needed this work done within 2 weeks, and it's 1 week is already up, and I don't have an update, and you're giving me bullshit excuses. This is not done. I don't think that we need to work anymore, like work on this any further. So I think we should stop.
oh, okay, I don't know. I should say, what should I say to you?
Do you think that's my fault? Not getting an update from you?
You were not there. I message you. I
You
even
messaged me
message you.
one time, and no follow up, and you think this is my fault. I am a busy guy. I told you in the first call. I think we're done.
Okay.
Dankash.com 0304
1115786